Test 1, 2, 3. After you have logged into PaperCut, select the scan icon. From this screen, you will select your desired destination. Options here will vary based on your configuration. For this demonstration, we will use Scan to My Email. Your email address will automatically populate in the To area. From this screen, you are also able to change the subject as well as the file name of your scan if you so wish. To further customize your scan, you will select Change Settings. Settings that can be manipulated are cited options, orientation, original paper size, desired file type, DPI or exposure. The higher the number, the clearer the image, with 200 to 300 being sufficient for a text document, and your color mode. File types are PDF, TIFF, and DocX. DocX is a Word document. Prompt for more pages is a batch feature that allows you to add additional pages to your scan and will wait to put the file together until you signal the job is complete. When all settings have been selected, tap the Start button to begin your scan. When you are finished, select the arrow next to your name in order to log out. This concludes the PaperCut scanning training video.